Hey everybody, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today we're going to make our very own stress balls out of balloons and flour. For this activity, you're going to need a couple of balloons, a bag of flour, and some scrap paper to make a funnel. You'll also need a small plastic water bottle. Stretch out the balloons with your hand and then go ahead and blow up each balloon 2 to 3 times to make sure that the rubber is really stretchy. Use your paper funnel to fill up your water bottle about 2/3 of the way with flour. Then take your balloon and carefully stretch it over the mouth of your water bottle. Once your balloon has made a tight seal around the top of the water bottle, it's time to squeeze your water bottle until all of the flour is inside of your balloon. You can tell when your balloon is full of flour by watching the water bottle. Of course, if the water bottle is empty, you've got all of the flour into your balloon. But if you are squeezing your water bottle and some of the flour goes down into the balloon but jumps back into the water bottle, that means you've overfilled your balloon and you need to stop and take the water bottle off. Once your balloon is full of flour, go ahead and carefully remove the neck of the balloon from the water bottle and let the extra flour shoot out just a little bit. Then tap your balloon down onto your work surface and check to make sure there isn't any more flour in the neck of the balloon. Once that area is clear, you can go ahead and tie your balloon off. And there you go. Now you have a nice medium strength stress ball to add to your calming kit at home. You can use permanent markers to draw on your stress balls and create little faces. I went with emojis. Remember, these stress balls won't last forever. If you use your stress ball every day, it might only last about a week. But if you only use it a couple of times a week, you can keep these stress balls for about a month. If you want a firmer stress ball like the yellow one that I made, you just blow up your balloon a couple more times and fill it even more with flour. Thanks for crafting with me today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.